If you're searching for the best AI interviewer or interviewing software in 2026, you're likely facing significant hiring bottlenecks. Your recruiters are overloaded with screening calls. Your hiring managers are spending hours interviewing candidates who aren't qualified. And you're trying to scale recruitment without scaling headcount. AI interviewing sounds like the answer, but not all AI interview software is built the same. In this video, we'll break down what separates strong AI interviewing solutions from ones that create more noise than signal. Then we'll spotlight one of the most talked about tools in the category, CodeSignal's AI Interviewer. This episode is sponsored by CodeSignal, but as always, we're keeping things fair, data-backed, and buyer first. Let's dive in. What matters in AI interviewer software in 2026? AI interviewing is moving fast. Today, it's not about whether AI can ask questions, it's whether it can assess talent and skills accurately, fairly, and at scale. Here's what matters most when choosing an AI interviewing platform: skill-based evaluation, not just resume parsing. Many AI interview tools focus on keyword matching or surface-level screening. That's not enough. The best AI interviewers surface actual skills, problem-solving, reasoning, communication through structured conversations. You want AI interviewing that measures performance, not pedigree. Structured, standardized interviews. Bias creeps in when interviews are inconsistent. Strong AI interview platforms use structured prompts, consistent scoring rubrics, and calibrated evaluation frameworks. That ensures every candidate gets the same experience and every hiring manager gets comparable data. Role-specific customization. AI interviewers shouldn't feel generic. The best platforms allow you to tailor interviews to specific roles, skill levels, and competencies, whether you're hiring entry-level or senior talent. Candidate experience and flexibility. AI interviewers can't feel robotic or transactional. Top platforms allow candidates to complete interviews asynchronously, on their own time, with clear instructions and realistic job-relevant challenges. A poor AI interview experience can damage an employer's brand quickly. Data and hiring signal for decision-making. At the end of the day, AI interviewing should reduce guesswork. That means clear scoring, structured feedback, and analytics that help recruiters and hiring managers make confident decisions, not just raw transcripts or vague summaries. Spotlight on CodeSignal, skill-based AI interviewing at scale. CodeSignal's AI Interviewer is built around the philosophy that hiring should be based on skills, not resumes. Here's where they stand out in 2026. Conversational, skill-based AI interviews. CodeSignal's AI Interviewer conducts live, conversational interviews powered by AI, not just static question sets. Candidates interact with an AI interviewer that asks follow-up questions, probes deeper, and adapts based on how the candidate performs. For technical roles, this includes the ability to cover technical concepts, system design, and more. That makes the interview experience feel closer to a real technical interview, not a one-way recording. Multiple interview modalities. What makes CodeSignal's approach distinctive is that AI Interviewer isn't a single format. It's a suite of modalities you can deploy based on role, volume, and candidate context, including conversational AI interviews, an interactive interview experience where the AI listens, probes, and adapts in real time. AI phone screens. For high-volume hiring, candidates can complete a screening via phone call on their own schedule, between shifts or classes, without requiring any recruiter availability. AI video avatars. On-camera video interviews conducted by an AI avatar, giving hiring teams visual context on communication style and professionalism. This flexibility means CodeSignal can slot into different stages of your funnel and different types of roles, not just one use case. Structured scoring and consistent evals. One of the challenges in hiring is inconsistency between interviewers. CodeSignal addresses this by using structured rubrics tied directly to job competencies. Every candidate is evaluated against the same framework, reducing subjectivity and improving fairness. Instead of relying on interviewer notes, hiring teams receive standardized data they can compare across candidates. Built on a proven assessment platform. Unlike newer AI interviewing startups, CodeSignal's AI Interviewer is layered onto an existing assessment ecosystem. That means you can connect pre-screen assessments and AI interviews into a unified workflow. Recruiters get a consolidated view of performance rather than stitching together multiple tools. For teams already using CodeSignal assessments, this creates continuity from screening through to final rounds, calibrated to your own reviewers. One differentiator worth highlighting: CodeSignal's IO psychologists actively compare the AI's scoring against your own reviewers' ratings and tune the system until results are on par with your team's standards. That's not something most AI interviewing tools offer, and it directly addresses the concern that AI scoring won't match how your team actually evaluates talent. This helps ensure that the human reviewers who are making the progression decisions are equipped with the most accurate data. Designed for skills-driven hiring. While some AI interviewers interviewers focus heavily on generic behavioral screening, CodeSignal's strength is in evaluating real-world ability, not just communication polish. Depending on the role and stage, that might mean replacing a traditional recruiter screen, running a mock customer conversation to see how a candidate handles real interactions, or exploring workplace scenarios to understand how someone thinks and operates. The format flexes to the hiring need, built with the candidate in mind. It's worth noting that candidate experience isn't an afterthought here. CodeSignal's AI agents are available 24/7, so candidates can complete interviews on their own time, nights, weekends, between obligations, etc. Every interaction is designed to feel structured and respectful with clear next steps, and the data backs this up. A significant share of applicants report actually preferring an AI recruiter to a traditional phone screen. For employers, that translates to higher conversion rates and a stronger first impression of your brand. In summary, CodeSignal's AI Interviewer is a strong fit if you prioritize skill-based hiring over resume-based filtering, you're hiring analytically complex roles, you want structured, standardized AI interviewing, your team needs to scale interviews without adding interviewers, you value consistent, defensible hiring data. CodeSignal's AI Interviewer may be less relevant if you only hire occasionally, but if you're looking for one of the best AI interviewers for skills-driven hiring, CodeSignal represents one of the most robust solutions on the market. To see how CodeSignal works and determine whether it's the right AI interviewer for your hiring process, schedule a demo using the links in the description. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.